Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are well and hearty. Welcome back to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 6 on the topic of first assignment. That means today we are going to discuss on the topic of your first assignment of home science. I am repeating, today our topic is discussion of first assignment. Students, you know that this is your first assignment of home science. So government has published the topic of your home science. Now we are going to discuss on this. Let's start. Look, from chapter 1, 3 and 8, you have to do your first assignment. Chapter 1, preliminary concept of home and home environment. Chapter 3, home management. Chapter 8, food, nutrition and health. And here you can see the assigned task or assignment. So first given is short question answer. First question is, what is home? What problems will you face if you do not have a home? So while answering this, you have to keep in mind ideas about content and you have to mention at least 5 problems. So first question is, what is home? Students, you know what is home? Home is the place where we live in. Home is the first place where we want to born, where we grow up. And you can get the answer from lesson 1, chapter 1, home and home environment. So what is home? Home may the term of a place where we live in our family, where we spend our life, where we woke up in the morning, we take our breakfast, lunch, dinner, where we sleep, where we find comfort and peace. So it is called home. And next question is, what problems will you face if you do not have a home? Can you imagine, students, if you don't have a home, what will happen? We can't imagine our life without a home, without any accommodation. We have to stay in our home. When it is night, we can't think to stay outside. So if we stay outside without any roof, any home, rainwater will make us wet. In night, we will be afraid to stay. So to grow up with an environment, suitable environment with comfort, we need a home, a shelter, and this is called home. So you have to clarify here, you have to write the reasons why we need to home, why we have to stay home. So you have to write all these reasons, at least 5 problems if you don't have any home that you have to face in this answer. That means in question number 1, you have to write what is home, that means a definition of home, and then you have to mention at least 5 problems. If you don't have any home, what will you face? Now come to question number 2, what will you play a role in protecting the home environment and enhancing the beauty? Look here, in assignment criteria, mention 5 roles in protecting and beautifying the home environment. Give explanation. So while making your home, protecting or the environment beauty, with the beauty, you have to mention at least 5 roles, and in each point you have to give an explanation. Students, in your explanation, there is no bound, there is no identified or specified lines. You have to explain by your own. You have to write the points according to your wish, but the points must be connected with the answer of the question. So I hope you can get the answer from chapter 1, and as you read the chapter, you will be able to write. look, internal space arrangement at home, how you will decor your home, how you will enhance the beauty of your home. This is not so hard because we are living in a home. We always used to decorate our house, we used to enhance the beauty of our house. That's why I hope you are able to write all the answers. You are able to mention 5 points on this question, and don't forget to explain all the points. Now, question number 3, creative question. Here a STEM is given. Mr. Karim explained to everyone how to complete his daughter's wedding ceremony, but he did not find out how and who was working. As a result, the work did not progress much. Then his elder brother discussed the matter with everyone and ended the program by explaining to everyone how to end the program very well. So from this STEM, you have to give the answer of question C and D. Question C is explain which step of home management was not followed by Mr. Karim. So from here we come to know that Mr. Karim, who arranged the wedding ceremony of his daughter, and there we find that he didn't take care of the program of the work of every people. That's why his elder brother, who tackled the whole matter and who ended the program with happiness and joy. So here we have to explain which step of home management was not followed by Mr. Karim. Students, go to chapter 3. In chapter 3 you will get the answer. Chapter 3 name home management, and we have already learned this about this chapter, and from this chapter we come to know that there are 4 things. What are they? While managing home, we have to maintain 3 things, that are planning, organizing, control and evaluation. Always we have to think about all this: planning, control, organizing and evaluation. If we arrange all this together, our work will be completed, and if we fail to arrange all these, we can't be successful in our work. That had happened with Mr. Karim. He arranged the wedding plan. He arranged all the wedding plan, but he was not cautious about all this arrangement, and his brother was involved at last in the ceremony. All the planning was done by his brother, and it was successfully ended. So you have to mention which which point missed by Mr. Karim. So you have to write about that. That means about planning, organizing, control or evaluation. Which one is missed by Mr. Karim? You have to explain in question number C. And I hope you can understand which is missing here: planning, organizing, control or evaluation. You can understand. Now come to question number D. Was the decision made by Mr. Karim's brother right? Give your opinion logically. Students, as we find here that at the end, when Mr. Karim is failed to arrange all the ceremony, his brother come to help him. So his decision is correct or wrong? He was absolutely right or wrong? You can understand. I'm not saying directly. You can understand whether he is wrong or right. So you have to explain why he is right or why he is wrong in his decision, in his helping. So you can understand why Mr. Karim's brother involved in the ceremony planning, and he was able to conclude all the program happily or not. You have to explain here based on planning, organizing, control and evaluation. So as you know all this, you can write the answer easily. Now students, come to question number 4. Make report, comment in the light of the textbook on whether the foods you eat in the morning, noon and night of a week are appropriate for your age and needs. Students, you are in adolescence time and you are taking food in the morning, in the noon and at night. So please open chapter 8, food nutrition and health. from this chapter you can be able to answer question number 4. Here another thing I want to mention, look at the criteria. Fill in the table given below and make the right comment. Here we find day, noon, afternoon. So we know in a week there are 7 days. So you have to put the information of noon and afternoon of 7 days. That means what you have taken and how much in amount you take for 7 days in noon and afternoon. You have to fill the table properly with proper information, and you have to write something from your text related to this question. And this is very easy because you have to write from your book, from your real life, that what you take in the morning, in the noon, at night. So I hope it will not be very hard for you. It will be easy for you to answer, to make the assignment. And if you have any problem, you can contact with me. Here I have given my name and phone number. And now at last I want to discuss how you will do your assignment. Students, I'm showing you a page. Most of the students are asking me how they will complete their assignment. Students, first, in first page you have to make the cover page. Try to make your cover page by your own. If you do it by your own, the cover page will look nice and beautiful. So first page will be cover page, and in next page you have to write the assigned task or assignment. It means in next page you have to write all the questions you have written for your assignment. You have to write all this in next page, that means in page 2. And in page number 3, you have to give teacher's information. That means teacher's name and teacher's phone number. In page number 3, whom you are submitting the assignment. This is very important to write the teacher's information. That means teacher's name and phone number. And from next page you can start writing the answer of the assignment. Give number 1, 2, 3, and then no need to pick the question, then write the answer. So that's for today, students. I hope you have understood today's topic. Please do your assignment at home and submit your assignment in due time. And the submission date of your assignment is 22nd November. Students, only one day, 22nd November, you have to submit your assignment. I hope you are able to submit your assignment on due time. Stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.